In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom field in Salesforce. If you're cleaning up your org, removing unused data points, or simplifying page layouts. This walkthrough will help you delete a custom field confidently and without confusion. Before we begin, a quick note. You'll need the right permissions to customize your org, and deleting a field permanently removes its data and can affect reports, automation, formulas, and integrations that reference it. It's a good idea to confirm the field isn't in active use and, if necessary, export its data for your records. Let's start at the top right of Salesforce. Click the gear icon and select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the Setup area, where all your administrative tools live. At the top of Setup, click the Object Manager tab. This is where every standard and custom object in your org is listed. Find and click the object that contains the custom field you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search box to quickly locate the object by name. Inside the object's settings, look to the left and select Fields and Relationships. This page lists every field on the object, including type, label, and API name, which is helpful for confirming you're targeting the correct field. Locate the field you want to delete. When you've found it, click the small caret icon to the right of the field and choose Delete. Salesforce will prompt you to confirm, and you may see a warning if the field is used somewhere. Read this carefully before proceeding, because deletion removes the field and its values from records, page layouts, and related assets. Confirm the deletion to complete the process. If you don't see the delete option, or if Salesforce blocks the deletion, it usually means the field is referenced by something like a formula, validation rule, automation, or report, or it's a managed package field. Remove those references, or check with the package provider, then return to the same spot and repeat the deletion. Also note that standard fields can't be deleted. That's all there is to it. Quick recap. Open Advanced Setup from the gear icon, go to Object Manager, choose your object, open Fields and Relationships, and use the caret next to the field to delete it. Take a moment afterward to verify that your page layouts, reports, and automations still behave as expected. With that, you've successfully cleaned up a custom field in Salesforce.